You got Miss Liberty over here on the side.
Disclaimer, this video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try it at home.
What's good with y'all YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Y'all see by the title, we in Vegas. I'm about to give y'all some POV, some pools, so all that. I'm about to go ahead and throw this thing in Sport Plus. I'm gonna start giving y'all some pools and all that. These roads so far have been horrible. Like, I keep slipping at every single corner. I keep sliding and I can't grip no traction, but I don't know if it's because this road just has like a lot of dirt, sand or something, because of the desert, but I can't get no type of traction whatsoever. Alright then, y'all, I think it's like kind of like the strip. This is the first morning day here, so I'm still not completely used to the city. I haven't even explored it for real, but yeah, it's Las Vegas strip or whatever. There's always a lot of people, it's always hot. You got Miss Liberty over here on the side. Paris, France, all that. Yeah, it's a big old line. To be honest, I'm not even sure like all the famous casinos, all that. So I'm just checking out the architecture and stuff. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, these roads are slippery, so I'm trying to be cautious, but yeah, every single pool, the tires slide a little bit, but there's a weird slide. It's like it feels like there's a thick piece of plastic on top of the floor. Like a thick piece of ice, you just glide. You don't even spin for real.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Later that same evening.
I know the video ended up at a weird spot, but as y'all see, I'm in the whip again. I'm about to give y'all some more POV. I'm gonna give y'all some quick revs right now. I'm having a race mode, and we're set to garage, so it's gonna be loud. I'm gonna give y'all some. It's hot as hell still. Like I said earlier, I don't know where the video cut off last time, so I'm still gonna give y'all some POV right now. Y'all already got some revs. I know that was loud because it was hurting my ears from inside the garage, and I was inside the car still. But it's like, you got the airport over there. I don't know if you can see the airplane leaving. But yeah, I'm about to give y'all some more POV and all that. But I think I'm about to go down the strip, about to go get some food. So I'm gonna get y'all some more clips. It's 91 degrees right now. It's pretty early, so I'm about to give y'all some POV. Throwing it in support.
Ain't gon' nah, it ain't gonna work.
Talking in at 97 degrees. me know if y'all enjoying the Vegas POV, Yeah, we just left Denny's real quick. We had to get some quick breakfast. I had a little steak, T-bone and steak. My steak was a little bit raw, but it was still good. I was fucking it up. What you get, girl?
A breakfast sandwich.
Oh yeah, show 'em. I bet. Start giving out some more pools and stuff coming off the video. Not sure how much footage I got yet, but I'm gonna give you a little bit more POV. Alright then, y'all. We're getting close to the strip. I'm about to put this thing in Sport Plus. Start giving y'all more pools again. Y'all, Las Vegas traffic is always moving slow as heck, man. I see the strip. The strip's always active. You got an MJ Live, the Bellagio. Let me know if y'all ever seen Las Vegas in person. Yeah, the strip is mainly built up of casinos and stuff. Started putting gas in the 63 real quick. It was running low. I give you a little bit of pulls. We went down the strip. About to get back on the road. I'm gonna give you a little bit more pulls, a little more POV. Alright, y'all, just got back to my Airbnb right now. I think that's gonna be the end. Like this video, please. Subscribe, like, comment, share. I'm open the hood so the car can rest. Obviously, we're in the desert still. Last walk around of the 63 V8 by Turbo before we end this video off. Alright then, man, like I said, this is gonna be the end. So if y'all did like this video, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, comment, all that shit. I'm gonna get y'all that late night POV in Vegas, so stay tuned for that, and peace out, yeah.